He found a dog. People, he doesn't care. He likes it. You like the dog. These are frisbee golfers or disc golfers or something. He loves watching this game. They never really make it in. All right, I'm coming. Yeah, what's that? That's a cute dog. What kind of dog is that?
She's like a lab mix.
What's her name?
Like shepherd.
What's her name?
Chow. Her name is Millie.
Oh, really? We have a cat friend named Millie. It's my grandmother's name. He got scared. He's Pouncer. He got scared. His name is Pouncer.